Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to get back your missing network adapters from your device manager in Windows 11 guys. Let's fix the problem. For that, go to search menu and type CMD. Click run as administrator over here. Click yes. Now in here you need to type IPCONFIG IPCONFIG space slash FLUS guides slash FLUS guides DNS press enter guys. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now you need to type NETS guides space WINSOCK space RESET NETS guys space WINSOCK space RESET press enter guys. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. If you not get resolved after restarting your PC, you can also restarting all your network adapters and that can hopefully resolve your problem guys. For that go to settings and type network reset, open it and this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards such as VPN client softwares and or virtual switches. You just click on reset now and click yes. Now that will get resetted guys. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You just want to restart it, your computer, you just want to restart it and hopefully your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.